map of the frozen world last night. I heard the slow beat of the winter rain. Poor foliage drops done dripping all in vain. The eyes bound hers, but mocking their puny mind. Far better and the thickness of wine, and uncomplaining snow which make no sign, but coldly smile when pitying moonbeams shine, conceal its sorrow for human sight. Long, long ago, and blow and button years, I learned the uselessness of wandering woe. So sinewy fates deal the most skillful and blow. I do not waste 2 gallons now of my tears, but feign my pride upon his bitter while. I look through in the world's bold eyes and smile. Smile.